Hi everyone. In this video we are going to be factoring out a greatest common factor. Okay, so in other words it's like backwards of your distributive property. So what if I start with 3x minus 12? Well, if I look at 3x and the 12, my greatest common factor, as in the largest thing I can divide out of both of those, is a 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide out or factor out a 3. So I'm going to write down my 3. I'm going to write a parenthesis. And then I'm going to divide everything by 3. It's called factoring it out. So 3x divided by 3 leaves me with just an x. I write down the minus that's in the middle. 12 divided by 3 leaves me with 4. So that is it on that one. Let's do another one that's maybe a little more complicated. Okay, so what if I had 2x to the third power minus 14x to the second power plus 8x. Okay, well, if I look at these, all of these can be divided by 2. And every one of these terms has an x. Okay, so I can factor out a 2 and an x. So I'm going to factor out both a 2 and an x. Okay, I'm going to write parentheses, and then I just divide each of these by 2 and x. All right, remember when you're dividing with variables, you just subtract the exponents. Since my 2x has an exponent of 1, that means I'm just going to take 1 away from each of the exponents. So 2x to the third divided by 2x leaves me with just x to the second power, because I take 3 minus 1. It gives me the 2 here. And 2 goes into itself only once. That's why it's 1x squared. I write down the minus sign. Now, if I take 14x squared divided by 2x, 14 divided by 2 makes 7. X squared divided by x, you just subtract the exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1, so I have x to the first power. And then I write down the plus sign. And then I take 8 divided by 2. It leaves me with 4. And then x divided by x, well, anything goes into itself once. 4 times 1 is just 4. So I close off my parentheses. And there you have it. Awesome. Remember, this is like backwards of your distributive property. Okay? Enjoy. And if this has helped you, please like and follow.